hard to play here, no. Dog, come on, bro. Jay and Ken don't need to thief nobody money, dog. I need to stop the capping, brother. You see me? I need to stop. You see me? If you don't want to, brother, stop come talk. Fuck with dog. You see me? Jay and Ken don't need no money. Just wait, yes. You see me? Just wait, but people wake me out of my bed. I say, yo, I need for justice, but dog, I need to stop telling lie, brother. I don't need nobody money. Ken don't need nobody money, bro. All of them pages don't know how to take some fake page. You see me? I don't need $100 US, bro. I give them money there. You see me? Give away. You see me? So I'm gonna stop, bro. I'm just forward. See, I'm forward, car, man. We just take a break to fix yourself, brother. You see me? So I'm gonna stop, brother. I'm gonna stop calling him because it don't look good for you, brother. And all of them fake pages, I'm gonna stop taking people and things. Make it look like a weed. You see me? Yeah, I'm gonna stop. I need to take a $50 US. I need to take a $100 US. I need to take a 5 bit. I need to take no money from you. You see me? I'm gonna stop, bro. I'm gonna just stop. Just start me come to play, you see me? So far back on YouTube. Stop. $100 US, yeah. $100 US, yeah. I don't need to take the money that I'm gonna stop using him for some fuckery, bro. You see me? Me ever slip, bro, and I don't worry about that, we're good. You see me? I'm gonna stop using him. My dad will come for telling you, bro. Stop using him.